I'm Binir Jambiochawa from BS Crim 3C. This is my answer. Case 1. The case 1 showed that the manifesting company helped people in having a job, but the manifesting company flow in ways in river that cause illness to the near town. The manufacturing company will charge of Republic Act 6969 Toxic Substance Hazard and Unclear Waste Control Act of 1919. The law animate to regulate the importation, manufacturing, processing, sale, destruction of chemical substance and mixture and present unreasonable risk to human health. It likewise prohibit the entry even in transit or hazardous or non-clear waste, their disposal with Philippines territorial limits for whatever purpose, and provided admission at facilitate research and study on toxic chemicals. Case 2. The mother-in-law is the one who left with will of her daughter-in-law. It will daughter-in-law waste her ashes to throw to ocean near to house, but the mother-in-law wants to ashes to burn near to their house so that her memories will remain to her. The ethics of mother-in-law that she decided to burn her daughter-in-law that throw her ashes to ocean because of own grief, the integrity of her daughter in the law that she did do the last will of daughter-in-law because of grief, the honestly and settled. Case 3. The teacher mistaken input for test paper with answer, but she immediately correct her input by the test paper with no answer. He would her student get the answer immediately and settle the answer. The student code of ethics that there is no cheating. If I were the teacher, she say to the dean what she done. As if she can do another test paper so that there is no cheating will be done. Sorry for what did she did. Case 4. The woman can catch the business owner even though at the first she will accept the monetary that had been offered to her. But before the monetary gave to woman change her mind for her, the business owner will do it again and again. The woman integrity is to raise her right. She can go to woman desk wherein woman right to explain about sexual harassment and abuse women and against women. Case 5. The court rests such under the law of Anti-Corruption Republic Act number 3019 enumerate certain aspects of public officer that contribute graft or corrupt practice or may lead their entering on behalf of government into any contact of transaction fully and disadvantage to the same whether or not the public officer provided or will profit thereby knowingly approving or granting any increased pursuit, privilege, or benefit in favor of any person not qualified. Thank you for watching.